And let's begin with images coming in from Chennai, where there's been a crackdown on BJP leaders who are planning a protest over the alleged liquor scam in Tamil Nadu. The cops have gone on a detention spree now, going ahead and taking several BJP leaders into custody, detaining them. The likes of Tamilisai Soundararajan, Vinod Selvam have now been detained by the Chennai police amid protests. This as the BJP was planning a stir in the city over what they deem a 1,000 crore TASMAC scam, a liquor scam. ED raids is what's prompted the political showdown and the allegations of a liquor scam. And on your screens are the images of how BJP leaders, workers who are gathering for a protest are immediately being detained.
See, near my house itself, they are arresting. They are telling they will allow me. I won't go separately. I wanted everyone to come with me. So they go. அங்கதான் போறாங்க. அப்ப எல்லாரையும் கூட்டிட்டு போணும். See, near my house itself, they are arresting. They are telling they will allow me. I won't go separately. I wanted everyone to come with me. So they go. அப்ப எல்லாரையும் கூட்டிட்டு போணும்.
This Tamilisai Soundararajan, BJP leader who's also been detained. And besides her, on the left of your screens are images of Vinod Selvam, another BJP leader in Chennai who's been taken into custody. Let me bring in Pramod Madhav, who's joining us live from Chennai with the latest updates on this. Pramod, what's happening there in Chennai? We understand that the BJP was planning a massive protest over the allegation that they've leveled of a liquor scam, but one after another they're being detained even before they can reach the spot.
It absolutely is, Akshita. In fact, you look at this location. This is Rajasthan Stadium, and right now we have Pon Radhakrishnan, the senior leader from BJP, and Alisha Abdullah, who are here along with H. Raja. Already, just like you mentioned, Vinod P. Selvam and Tamilisai Soundararajan have been detained, and right now police are not allowing anybody to come over here and assemble carers. As and when they are coming over here, they are being detained. In fact, we have Alisha Abdullah over here. What is happening at this point?
Oh, this is really bad. Just now, two of our BJP leaders, they have just dragged them inside the bus. You should take the video over there. This is really bad, and they're not even allowing us to move. They're just hitting us and manhandling. Beat even.
What is this protest about?
This is basically the 1,000 crores corruption which you have done. DMK has done. That is the reason we are standing and protesting again, and we are fighting for the public. The public should stand by us and for us.
Right, so that's Alisha Abdullah. Akshita, the thing is here is that Enforcement Directorate has filed 3 FIRs, and based on that only BJP has gone ahead for this protest over here. The FIRs are related to TASMAC, which is actually a company or that comes under the Tamil Nadu government. And as we speak, here you see the kind of more and more vans are being brought. This was a massive scale protest that was organized by Annamalai, but even before it could actually, people could come over here one after the other. They are being detained. Tamilisai detained, Vinod P. Selvam detained, and now H. Raja, Pon Radhakrishnan is also being taken over here as we speak at this spot. ED in its FIR, 3 FIRs were filed. One was about getting excess price for the liquor, more than MRP. Second one about distillery owners giving kickbacks to TASMAC senior officials, and the third one is about senior TASMAC officials reportedly getting bribed from retail TASMAC shop workers and also for their transfer. So this is the main charges that were levied by ED, and for this only the protest was called over here. But police here are not allowing anybody to come across. BJP had earlier planned for a silent rally from this place, Rajasthan Stadium, to almost 1 kilometer away from this place called as Talamuthu Nadarajan building, where the TASMAC building is also there, the actual office. But now they have been detained over here as we speak, Akshita.
Okay, so several BJP leaders being detained. Pramod, what really has the government cited or the police cited to not give permission for this protest?
Well, Akshita, normally this is one of the designated sites for protests. One is this particular spot called as Rajasthan Stadium, and the other one is Chepauk Zone, and the other one is Vallur Kotam. But here, now stating that law and order issue and actually large crowd protest was not allowed. This is the reason that has been given by the police. In fact, they did not actually allow permit as well. Just like Tamilisai Soundararajan said that she was allowed to come and protest alone, but she cannot bring in a larger people. So that is the kind of unlawful assembly of the people. So that based on that only this kind of not providing permission had occurred over here. As you speak, you can also see senior officials at this spot. They are waiting, and they are every time one leader comes over here, they are being detained. We're not we are not exactly sure if Annamalai could reach a spot or not, because there are various checkposts, and there is a possibility he could be be also detained over there, or he could be allowed to come over here and then detained. But however, there are multiple buses at this spot, and anybody who's coming over to protest, they are being stopped and they are being detained, Akshita.
All right, so non-stop detentions there, with the Chennai police taking all BJP leaders who arrive at the protest site to immediately be taken into custody. The police making it clear that there is no permission that's been granted for this particular agitation. You see the kind of images coming in of BJP cadre one after another being detained there by the Chennai police. Like Pramod said, this is one of the designated protest sites in Chennai. And yet, because permission hasn't been granted, these are the scenes that are playing out. Tamilisai Soundararajan, one of the senior BJP leaders in Tamil Nadu who's been detained, also spoke to us. Listen in.
Why were you protesting? What was the reason that you were on the ground with the BJP Karyakartas?
TASMAC corruption, the ED has disclosed 1,000 crore corruption has occurred in the TASMAC. We are very confident it wouldn't be 1,000 crores, it will be more lakh crores. So we want to expose it. We want to condemn that corruption charges. We want to be with the people of Tamil Nadu. So they are not even allowing us to move from the house. They are house arresting us.
Where are you presently? Where have they kept you? Where have you been ordered to stay?
In a marriage hall. 300 of my Karyakartas has been kept in a marriage hall.
What was the reason? Because I was very curious also about your venue of protest, that it was the Thalamatu Narjarar building. It is because it's the whole language war also coming in here. Was there a reason that you decided to organize the protest here?
No, because that is the TASMAC office. So we want to protest against the TASMAC corruption in that area. We gave permission. We asked permission. They are not allowing us. And they are not allowing us to protest. They are not allowing us to move from the house. They don't know, because whatever may be the situation, they should allow me to come out of my house and move.